How to start investing with just $10. Best apps and strategies for beginners. Do you think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? If your answer is yes, this video is about to change your mind. The truth is, you can start investing with as little as $10. With the right app and the right strategy, you can begin building wealth one step at a time. In today's video, you'll learn how to start investing with just $10, the best investment apps for beginners, smart strategies that can help you grow your money over the long term. Let's get started. Point 1. Can you really start investing with just $10? Absolutely. Many U.S. investment platforms now offer fractional shares, which means you don't have to buy a full share of an expensive stock. For example, if a company's stock costs $500 per share, you can still invest just $10 and own a small portion of that stock. This has made investing more accessible than ever before. Point 2. Best investment apps for beginners. If you're in the United States, these apps are among the most beginner-friendly options. 1. Robinhood commission-free stock and ETF investing. Simple and easy-to-use interface. 2. Fidelity supports fractional share investing. Excellent choice for long-term investors. 3. Charles Schwab low minimum investment requirements. Strong research tools and educational resources. 4. Public great for beginners who want to learn while investing. Easy-to-use platform with a growing investment community. Point 3. The best strategy for beginners. If you're starting with only $10, don't worry about investing a large amount all at once. Instead, focus on investing consistently. For example, if you invest $10 every week, you'll invest about $520 in 1 year. Over time, with consistent investing and the power of long-term growth, even small contributions can grow into a much larger portfolio. Remember, consistency is more important than trying to time the market. Point 4. Common mistakes to avoid. When you're just getting started, avoid these mistakes. Don't buy stocks just because they're trending on social media. Don't invest all your money in one company. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Keep learning before increasing your investments. Point 5. Think long-term. Successful investors don't become wealthy overnight. They invest consistently, stay patient, and allow their investments time to grow. Even if you start with just $10 today, building the habit of investing regularly can make a big difference over the years. Conclusion. So if you thought investing required thousands of dollars, now you know that's no longer true. You can start your investing journey with just $10. If you had just $10 to invest today, which stock or ETF would you choose? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.